Coinbase app review. First, let me introduce the Coinbase app. It is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and store digital assets easily. It's designed for both beginners and experienced crypto traders, offering a simple interface and strong security features. Installation and setup, quick and easy. Download the app, create an account, verify your identity, and start trading. Next, key features: buy, sell, and trade 100 plus cryptocurrencies, secure digital wallet for storing crypto, recurring buys for automated investing, educational tools with rewards for learning, and advanced trading on Coinbase Pro. In terms of performance and usability, it's user-friendly for beginners, but higher fees compared to other exchanges. Next, pros and cons. Pros: easy-to-use interface, strong security measures, and wide selection of cryptocurrencies. Cons: high fees on standard trades and limited customer support. Compared to Binance or Kraken, Coinbase is easier for beginners but more expensive due to its higher fees. Advanced traders may prefer Coinbase Pro, which offers lower fees and more trading options. In conclusion, Coinbase is great for beginners looking for an easy and secure way to trade crypto, but its fees can be high compared to other platforms. And that's all for this review. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.